Nina wa ikato itutini numu and muka play sport na la wa nita po me I touch ball on the muka na and then numu play each one to lo nu la wa judge nina okay then numu one day je numu upunyi there wa numu ta ke la she na cú giờ này rất đông thọ, and cú nhớ lúc nhà thảo nhớ GJ Charlotte North Carolina na, cú từ từ giờ nữa bé hú Charlie na, more autism, well you know autism thì nữa more cháu mẹ ai ra to hết na, để mà lấy hạt tiền người diagnose là muốn được qua lấy hạt tiền nữa more severe hoặc hoàn toàn chắc lại tất cả đó nữ muốn gì hyper lại nữ thích thế na nữ muốn energy hay nữ muốn gì hyper ADHD chỉ cho đó hết na so nữ muốn bây giờ ok na Special Olympics đó mà đối với các tụi nhỏ mua I think around got the show that the jelly will play until no law hina, right? It doesn't matter how old you are, you could play. Okay, just as long as the more the coach then the team that a more team that the the more available space you got by the letting people play that. So they have the fall, the spring, the winter, the summer. And depending on the season, there are certain sports that will be played in there. And then depending on your county and the volunteers and the coaches, it will determine what kind of sports they have. Okay? Every county in the state, they have their chapter, Special Olympics. And yeah, they can look county that because I participate you go. You know, if you have teachers, if you have care coordinator, you can always get that information from them. They could go look it up and give it to you. But yeah, because this is a use computer, like internet, just go on Google. Go Google your county and then Special Olympics. And then it will bring you to the county, the Special Olympics in your county. And then normally, it'll tell you what kind of sports they have. And then you call, and then you go find out Hokkaido County what are they offering, okay, and when they practice and when they sign up, okay, because every county is different. Sometimes one county offers things that the other county don't offer because it just depends on the volunteers and the volunteer coaches who's gonna be, coaching. You don't have to know they volunteer kind of work really close to with what you and then this play years before there will be some other volunteers where the coach and the talk to what the up to speed to where group then they just do it like that. Special Olympics is one of those programs where it started with John Kennedy's mother. Okay, he had like a sister who was special needs, and then John Kennedy knew Nana. She started that program, and it's funded by the government. So everything, okay, to athlete, the joiner, everything is no cost to that athlete. Okay, so maybe there might be a little cost. For example, my son, he does swimming. Okay, the only cost that I incurred all these years since 2012 in this swimmer I only had to buy him his swimming trunk. Okay, the little deer that day na, and a little goggles. They'll bring it to house. Hanya dia, cause the chimola contra the coach has it day. Laying with here got toto to athlete na, because laying toto had dia mostly athlete na like more income na. Okay, you know, mostly people with disability, they have a very limited income. But yeah, they let more income. They sometimes let's say you family nyara. Sometimes la munya judge la lina la munya the group home city poor situation. So yeah, they good to athlete and to participate. Yeah, they the chimonia la your job necessity that they taught the coach that they la yung donors law la yung business law organization where Puma donate yeah Puma your la motor the coach by the athlete she's not. Okay, so in regards to transportation and tolam competition lamu hotel now with the team and the meals, those are all paid by the government money that they give to each county for Special Olympics. Okay, in regards to the place they practice like once a week now. So for place that the local business or the local organizations, they will donate their place for them to go and practice. So like for example, swimming, our local YMCA donate it called time slot. The little pool that's pulling the door donate pool ở bên này trong pool practice it's pulling the container until for that 1 hour got to practice that they pool mali the public mali play down on it. So or like for example practice volleyball. The church, one of the local church donated their gym for like that 1 hour once every week for the team to go and practice. So you know, it's the local community, the local organizations and businesses that they're into that too. So all those stuff are donated. Okay, so really there's really no cost to the athlete, but you know, if you can, you know, like the necessities like the soccer shoe, yeah, I have to buy it for my son because I could afford that. But then if he couldn't afford it, then I would just go and talk to the coaches and they'll make it happen, you know, so they know. It's an athlete, yeah, if they won't make arrangement, don't have to look to on your shape, look to athlete, then you're like Cara, and your shape, Cora, and look at total got to me or buy, like a new work, Tema. How you had the your group home, you know, what the Sakamu, Latina, you work there, okay, it depends on the Sheshe or girl community, then they don't Jahana. How don't Yali, Kuna, because we have priority, yeah, or good to me on that. Okay, and good convenient, law, connect with priority, they connect with commitment, I have to do it. Okay, so the important thing is, you know, you have to go to that practice. You don't have to go to every one of them, but you have to go enough to where, you know, you're part of that team and the competition. You go hit the button.